All right, guys, welcome back. This is Tony T, and this is the world's largest bunkhouse you can get in a camper. This is a beautiful Forest River Salem with a massive outside kitchen. This is going to be the biggest bunk room you have ever seen. So not only do you have the biggest bunk room, but you have a massive, and I mean a massive, outside kitchen. You got an outside mini fridge. You have an outside sink with hot and cold water. You can bring a TV outside and mount a TV out here. You got some storage containers. You have a light. You have storage on the top here with netting. You have some s'more hangers back here. Pretty cool. So I like how they utilize all that. You actually get a grill that comes off the back bumper right here that swings all the way over on a huge arm that sits about right here. This one's going to have the overhang right here, so blocking you from the elements if it's too sunny, if it's raining, snowing, however you're using this. You're going to have protection right here. Plus you have a massive awning on your campsite side that's power awning. You're going to have electronic stabilizer jacks, so holding a switch, bringing all your jacks down, make it a lot easier to set up camp a lot faster. Or there's a remote control where you control everything from the remote control, which is technically a phone. You have a phone that comes with it with this camper, or you can download an app on your phone to control everything from your phone. But it is Bluetooth compatible, so you can open your slide outs, your lights, your awning. It's got a party mode. I'll show you that in 1 second inside. You have upgraded blacked out wheels. You got the 10-ply load range E tires as well. I know a lot of people don't talk about the tires in this industry. I'm going to talk about them because Salem puts load range E 10-ply tires on their units. A lot of you guys don't know, a lot of campers are going to be a load range C or a load range D. The JBL outside speakers cranking those tunes outside. When you mount a TV inside, they already give you the TV mount. They give you another TV mount on the outside here, so you can bring your TV from inside out. You can watch a ball game right out here. You have a 4K blade light right here, same as underneath your awning, and another one up front. But this is going to be a little accent light that goes behind your TVs, so when that's all set up, it's going to look really, really good. You have cable, your outlets right there. You have a furnace, on-demand hot water heater. You got solid steps. Another switch right here for your power jacks up front, or you're going to have that remote control. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's on party mode right now, so the lights are kind of in party mode, doing its thing. You can slow it down. You can make them turn off. You can make it just stay on. You do it all from your little cellular device right here. How cool is this? I mean, you can literally do everything from open your slide outs, check your tank levels, and everything on here. Your front stabilizer jacks. You can literally hold this phone outside of the camper and control everything inside your camper. I mean, how cool. They actually were one of the first ones to do a remote control back in the day. I would say 2017, 2018 when I first started. And I've always missed it because people got a real kick out of it back then, just having a remote control. Now you have a phone, or you can download an app on your phone and control the whole thing from your phone.